Have you ever felt like you're running in circles trying to get his attention? What if we told you there's an unexpected way to flip the script and make him yearn for more with you? 1. Unraveling the mystery of attraction. What's the one thing that can make you irresistible in his eyes? In unraveling the mystery of attraction, the key lies in understanding the subtle art of intrigue. It's not just about looks, it's about sparking curiosity. Think of yourself as a novel he can't put down. Your interests, passions, and hobbies are chapters he's eager to explore. By sharing just enough to pique his interest, but leaving enough unsaid, you create a magnetic allure. Remember, attraction thrives in the space between what's known and unknown. Your goal? Be that intriguing book he's compelled to read cover to cover. Start by sharing a passion of yours in a conversation, but leave a part of the story untold. 2. The art of subtle communication. How can your everyday conversations spark an unspoken desire? In mastering the art of subtle communication, your words become the brush and your conversations, the canvas. Every word you choose, every sentence you craft, can weave a connection that goes beyond the superficial. But how? It's all about the hints and nuances. When talking to him, infuse your conversations with hints about your interests, dreams, and desires, but don't lay it all out. Let your words be an invitation for him to ask more, to delve deeper. For example, mention a hobby you're passionate about in passing, sparking his curiosity to know more. This approach turns a simple chat into an intriguing puzzle he's eager to solve, creating a bond that's both compelling and captivating. 3. Confidence. Your secret weapon. Why does your self-confidence play a crucial role in his perception of you? Confidence, your secret weapon, is not just about feeling good in your skin. It's about radiating a presence that's undeniably attractive. It's the sparkle in your eye, the assertive yet warm tone in your voice, the way you carry yourself. Start by embracing your unique qualities. Celebrate your achievements, no matter how small. Dress in a way that makes you feel fabulous. Practicing positive self-talk is crucial. When you catch yourself in a spiral of self-doubt, counter it with affirmations of your strengths. Confidence is contagious. When you believe in yourself, it invites others to believe in you too. Remember, it's not about perfection, it's about authenticity. 4. Emotional connectivity. Beyond words. What's the secret to creating a bond that goes deeper than just surface-level interactions? Creating emotional connectivity goes beyond just sharing interests or engaging in small talk. It's about forging a bond that feels both deep and genuine. Start by actively listening when he speaks, showing that you value his thoughts and feelings. This isn't just nodding along. It's about engaging with what he's saying, asking thoughtful questions, and sharing relevant experiences of your own. Share stories that evoke emotions, moments of joy, challenges you've overcome, or dreams you're chasing. These stories allow him to see the real you, fostering a deeper connection. Remember, vulnerability is powerful. 5. The power of non-verbal cues. How can your body language silently communicate 1,000 words? The power of non-verbal cues can't be overstated. Your body language speaks volumes before you even say a word. To harness this power, focus on maintaining open, inviting body postures. Avoid crossing arms or legs, as these can signal defensiveness or disinterest. Instead, subtly mirror his body language to create a sense of harmony and understanding. Maintain eye contact to show you're engaged and interested, but balance it so it's not intimidating. Use your smile wisely. A genuine smile can light up your face and make you more approachable. Remember, your movements and gestures can tell a story just as compelling as your words. 6. Balancing mystery and openness. What's the right mix of being an open book and a mysterious enigma? Balancing mystery and openness is like walking a tightrope. It's all about finding the right equilibrium. You want to be an open book, yet keep some chapters intriguingly sealed. Start by sharing your experiences and thoughts, but leave room for curiosity. For instance, mention a unique hobby or a recent adventure but don't delve into every detail. This creates an allure, making him eager to learn more about your world. Also, ask about his interests without revealing everything about yours in one go. It's a dance of give and take. By maintaining this balance, you become a captivating presence in his life, someone who continually piques his interest. 7. Shared experiences. Building memories together. Why do shared experiences act as a magnet in strengthening your bond? Shared experiences are the glue that binds relationships. They turn you and him into us. Start by suggesting activities that are new or exciting for both of you. It could be a cooking class, a hiking adventure, or exploring a part of the city you've both never been to. These shared adventures create unique memories, stories only you two share, forming a special bond. Also, involve him in your interests and be open to exploring his. This shows you value his world and are willing to step into it. Remember, it's not about the grandeur of the experience, but the quality of the connection it fosters. 8. The importance of self-identity in relationships. How does maintaining your individuality make you more attractive? The importance of self-identity in relationships is like the anchor in a ship. It keeps you grounded. To maintain this, carve out time for your personal interests and passions. These are the things that make you, you. If you love painting, schedule regular art sessions. If you're into fitness, keep up with your workout routine. This shows him you're an individual with your own world, which is incredibly attractive. Encourage him to do the same with his interests. It's about being together, yet respecting each other's individuality. This balance not only makes you more intriguing but also keeps the relationship healthy and dynamic. 9. The influence of kindness and empathy. Why are kindness and empathy more powerful than any other trait? Kindness and empathy are like a warm light in a relationship, illuminating the best parts of both of you. To weave these qualities into your interactions, start with active listening. When he talks about his day or shares a problem, listen with the intent to understand, not just respond. Show empathy by acknowledging his feelings, even if you haven't experienced the same situation. Simple phrases like, "That sounds challenging," or, "I can see why you'd feel that way," make a world of difference. Small acts of kindness, like a thoughtful message or a small gesture that shows you remember what's important to him, can leave a lasting impression. 10. Creating an aura of positivity. How does a positive aura draw him closer to you in an unexpected way? Creating an aura of positivity is like being the sunshine in someone's day. It draws people towards you, including him. Start by focusing on the positive aspects of your life and your interactions with him. Share stories and experiences that uplift and inspire. When discussing challenges, frame them in a way that highlights what you learned or how you grew from the experience. Positivity is contagious. Your optimistic outlook can influence how he perceives his own life and challenges. Also, be supportive of his achievements and dreams. Celebrate his successes with genuine enthusiasm. This positive energy not only makes you a joy to be around but also creates a space where he feels appreciated and understood. Check out this playlist of the top 10 videos on relationship advice for women. And we'll see you in the next video. With love.